So today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to replace the two idler pulleys. That one there, the rib one, and then we have the tensioner pulley. What I'll do first is let you have a listen to them. They're not in the greatest shape. When I pull them out, I'll show you why I'm changing them, but this one's the worst. So, first thing we've got to do is remove this hose. Snaking it around the back there seems to be the best way to do it, and then it's out of the way. And then we'll take the intake off. 2 screws and it pops off. Then the next thing we're going to do is unplug the thermo fan, and then you've got 2 little 10 mils, one there over the other side near the air box. There's the other one. Just undo them, and then we will take the just pull up on the little clip, and away it comes. And then you've got your 2 10 mils. Now your fan is loose, and you can it's just a matter of, there's 2 clips down the bottom, it just pulls up. Then you've just got to maneuver it out of the way of everything. Like so. And there we go. Now we have complete access to everything, as you can see. Hell of a lot more room. So what we'll do now is get this belt off. So I'll just use breaker bar plus 1/2 inch to 3/8 reducer thingy. Then we want to go this way to loosen off the belt. Now I'll use my foot and take it off the water pump. Off the water pump is always the easiest because it's flat. Oh, I've got it stuck on the knob. There we go. So, oh yeah, the belt isn't in the best condition actually. That's pretty simple, just all basically falls away except for the tensioner in behind here. It's possible, but I don't need to worry about that because I'm taking these 2 off anyway. So just 10 mil again. Undone it comes. There's one. I'll take the tensioner, belt tensioner off. So there we go, here's the main reason why I'm changing this. Have a look at that. Not too sure why, but it's got some funny looking situations going on. So yeah, change these over. Now, yeah, while you've got it like this, it's best to just have a really good look at the belt. The easiest way to do it is, yeah, get the ribs like this and just run it along your finger so then you can have a look. It doesn't look too bad. There's the odd one of these. Let's see there. There's the odd one of them, but overall, yeah, overall it's not bad. It's still pretty good on that side as well. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that. Alright. As you can see, they're quite straightforward to change. Like this one here, yeah, you've just got the bolt and there's a little rubber like locator in there. Just make sure that goes on. Oh, there was a rubber seal too. This is actually a seal that stops the engine oil coming out, because that hole goes through to the oil gallery. And the other one, the tensioner pulley, it's just your flat one, and you've just got to undo that and then swap it over. But well, yeah, we'll get that in the vise and do that one. So I forgot to do the spin test, but this one, it's actually not bad. It does make a little bit of noise, but it's definitely not bad. That's mainly the other one that we're doing this for, but obviously while I'm here, no point, in my opinion. I'll just do both. And then we've got the other one, which is as you can hear, it's dead. So it's in the vise, and we'll change them over. Righto, so I was actually secretly hoping that one of these was going to be like this. I don't know if you're going to be able to pick it up. Well, you can see it in the light there. See how it doesn't run true? It doesn't run straight. And that's done up tight. It's on there. So what it is the bearing isn't pressed on straight. So I'll show you how to fix that. Just pull it off and I'll show you. So what we've ended up with here is we've got socket. Then I found this. It's like a massive washer. Put it on there, so then that is it's flat sitting on there, which actually sits inside the pulley to create a hard flat surface. And then 30mm socket, which fits nicely inside the outer ring of the bearing, as you can see here. So to straighten it up, I'm just going to try and give it a few taps, and hopefully that straightens the bearing out. So we'll see. See if it runs straight now. Right, so we're back on, and I don't know if it's any better. I don't think it is, but at least I know the bearing's straight now. The pulley must not run true. Anyway, she's on there. We've got our new tensioner pulley on as well. And righto, so we just got to get our belt in the right position. So what I like to do is go over the harmonic balancer first, then put the kink in it so it comes back to the water pump like that. Yep, okay. Belts are so much fun sometimes. So there, we've got our loop. So then I'll just, sit the belt in the loop and then do it up. It doesn't really matter about the rest of the belt yet, as this is the only part that you can't get to when it's bolted on. So best bet is to bolt this guy on first, make sure it locates at the back. And it's a 10 mil, and once it's done up, like so the belt's nice and free. So then we will just run the belt the rest of the way, which next it goes water pump, alternator, power steering, the other idler, and then I'll just take it off the water pump because that's where we get it back over. Yeah, on the crank, the alternator came off, put it back on the alternator, and there we go. We're ready to put it back on. So what we'll do is get this guy back on here and then get my foot back into place. Right, how'd we go? We are on the balancer, on there, water pump, power steering, alternator, and idler. Beautiful. Righto. So we'll give her a quick start up. Beautiful. Looking good. Seems to be a bit quieter down in here, I believe. Good old injectors. Always so noisy. Anyway, that's that. Now we'll just put it back together. So fins, well, in this case fan, in this case the fan will go back in. So, pass there, pass there. Oops. There we go. Then you just make sure you line it up with the bottom. There's a tab on each side of the radiator. Missed that one. And that's that. Now 10 mil bolts. Go back in. Went for a bit of a spin there. And your two screws. One goes there. The other one goes right here. Righto, there we go. We have our intake back in, the fans are in. Now there's a very important one that you need to do and you need to make sure that you plug your fans back in. It's a bit of an inside joke for me, but yeah, you make sure you clip that guy back in. Ching. And then it's not a bad idea to just turn the aircon on after when you start it again, and make sure that the fan is working again. Better put our hose back. There we go, guys, all back together, all in, hoses in. It turns out, yeah, you're best to just leave that undone before you put the hose back in. But that's in, done. So there you go, how to change the idlers. If you found this video educational, etc., be sure to give it a like and maybe share it around, and subscribe if you're feeling a bit fancy. But that's that for another video of how to do stuff on your Barra. Have a good one, guys.